Hey guys, welcome back to the another stand video. Guys, in this video you will discover when you open your TikTok account you may face a problem that your account was permanently banned due to multiple violations of our community guideline. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. The first method is, guys, you may click here on feedback, and guys, you may write all about your problem, and you may just send that to TikTok team. TikTok team will review your problem and they will unlock your account as soon as possible. The second method is, guys, you may open any browser and in search bar you may write here TikTok support. So you may open this and click here on TikTok support here. Then you may click here on TikTok help center or TikTok feedback help. So you may click here and you may just wait for some second. So this interface will be open, guys. Here all you may see that all settings are here, so you may check. Guys, you can reset your password or setting up your profile, or you may scroll it down and here you may see that here is the option of report a problem. So you may just click here on report a problem, and here feedback or report a problem. So you may click here on report and you will see all method how to report your problem. So you can check it. You can open your TikTok app and you can report from there also, or you may also select feedback. So you may click here and you may also share your feedback from here or from your app. So if you want to share your feedback from your app, then guys you may go back and you may open TikTok app. So click here on TikTok. So you may click here on your profile and click here on these three lines, and so click here and click on settings and privacy, and here you may see that here is the option of report a problem. So you may click here on report a problem. So click here, guys, and you may just wait for some second. So here you may see that here is the option of chat with us, and so you may write all about your problem to TikTok support team. TikTok support team will review your problem and they will fix it as soon as possible. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.